Hey, what's up guys, Srazz here back with another video, and in this video we're gonna talk about the cyberphone. Okay, cyberphone is nothing but a simple iPhone 11 Pro Max with the case like the CyberTruck. You might be aware of the CyberTruck recently from the Elon Musk's Tesla. The CyberTruck is getting quite famous now, and this phone is designed by a company called Caviar, and they are gonna make this iPhone 11 Pro Max with a case made of titanium, and it comes in the design form of an CyberTruck. So let's have a few renders on that. So let's visit the official website of Cyberphone, that is the Caviar.